Hey everyone, welcome to 3D Web Studio. In this tutorial, we'll be working in CATIA V6, starting from simple sketches to advanced 3D features. I'll guide you step by step through the modeling process so you can build a strong foundation in 3D design. Let's get started.
Open a new 3D part page. Select the top plane for sketching. Choose the Circle tool and draw a circle with a radius of 52.5 millimeters. Again, select the Circle tool and draw another circle with a radius of 33 millimeters, as shown in the video. Make the two circles coincident, keeping a center distance of 91 millimeters. Draw a reference line for the angle. Make sure the line and circle are coincident. Set the angle of the reference line to 30 degrees. Select the Bi-Tangent Line tool and draw a tangent between both circle edges with a radius of 8 millimeters. Again, use the Bi-Tangent Line tool on the other side of the circles. Use the Trim or Remove tool to delete the extra lines as shown in the video. Exit the sketch. Select the Pad tool and set the pad length to 10 millimeters. Select the front plane and start a new sketch. Choose the Line tool and draw the shape as shown in the video. The vertical line is 20 millimeters. The arc radius is 40 millimeters. And the horizontal length is 143 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Select the surface for a new sketch. Choose the Circle tool and draw a circle with a radius of 21.5 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Select the Rib tool, choose the Profile and Center curve, and click OK. Select the front plane again for sketching. Draw a line as shown in the video. Constrain the line properly, the angle should be 90 degrees. Use the Profile tool to close the L-shaped line. Exit the sketch. Now select the Shaft tool, choose the Profile, and set the Z-axis as the rotation axis. Select the Edge Fillet tool, choose the object, and set the radius to 4 millimeters. Open Sketch 3 and draw a circle with a radius of 15 millimeters. Select the surface for sketching. Draw a circle coincident with the outer diameter, then another circle with a radius of 20 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Use the Pocket tool to cut the circle to a depth of 3 millimeters. Again, select the surface for sketching. Choose the Center Rectangle tool and set the vertical dimension to 60 millimeters and the horizontal dimension to 60 millimeters. Use a circle to locate the center point. Make the rectangle and circle coincident. Draw another circle as shown in the video. Mirror the shape to the other 3 sides. Exit the sketch. Select the pad tool, choose the profile, and set the length to 8 millimeters. Apply the edge fillet tool to the 4 corners with a radius of 8 millimeters. Now select this surface for sketching. Draw 2 circles, one with a radius of 20 millimeters and another with 15 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Select the point tool and place a point at the center of the circle. Use the plane tool to create a new plane parallel through the point. On this new plane, start a sketch. Draw a line as shown in the video. This step is for your exercise. Use the rib tool, choose the profile and center curve, and create the shape. Draw a circle and use the pocket tool to remove the excess part. Apply an edge fillet with a radius of 4 millimeters. Now select the hole tool. Make the hole coincident with the point as shown in the video. Set the hole diameter to 8 millimeters. Use the circular pattern tool, select the hole and reference surface, set 6 instances and an angle of 45 degrees. Select the surface for sketching again. Draw circles as shown in the video. Use the pocket tool and remove all the circles. Now our 3D part is complete.